he's got the camcorder.
Yo, what's up, boys? Welcome back to the vlogs. Today, I just bought a new camera, and so far it's looking good. But I don't know how to charge this thing. Cause
Did you imagine?
I hope there's a cord in here that charges that. But yeah, so far it's going good.
Oh yeah, bro, the zoom is crazy.
I know. I like that.
Oh, that's so sexy.
Yo, don't tell everyone about to be sick.
Oh yeah, holy shit, yeah.
Holy shit.
Okay, wait. And then...
What's a new song?
Alright guys, so we're in the first dessert. We already demolished the milk custard.
Oh my god, bro, this shit is bussin'. I haven't had that yet, but it looks bussin'. Oh, it looks like my fucking ice cream is melted, but yeah, it's fine. We just got some, what?
Banh mi. Special, no, cafe.
Say that phrase.
What?
The one that I just taught you.
I don't remember.
En Brooklyn, guy.
And birthday guy. That's not racist. It's just I'm fitting in with the culture.
I met her last week. I don't know who you know with me. I seen her put away for a key. Can I get your number? I'ma hit you up. We can link on summer and go and fuck it up. Girl, you got me done. I need it in a rush. Can you fuck it up? Can you fuck it up? Can you fuck it up?
Taste test with Matthew.
Taste test? Oh, I'll just take a bite now. Okay.
Chase, yo. This fish is good, really good.
Okay, I'll take a bite.
Is it hot?
Oh, warm.
And in the sense that I hate myself for the fucking ending. Listen, when I'm out of missing, but it's not what I'm right on digging. I'm teaching by my hate decisions. Fuck you sickness. At the same time, go up and playing with a slip now. Let the stress got me fucked up, been fucked up since the cool was I've been feeling pain just to hold on. And I done been the same for so long. Let me hear it. I've been feeling pain. I've been feeling pain just to hold on. Wait. And I've been the same for so long.
Always got the camcorder.
Let go. Suicide if you ever gotta let it go. Suicide if you ever try to let it go. I'm sad to know ya. I'm sad to know ya. Something that you better let go. You decide if you ever gonna let me know. Suicide if you ever try to let it go. I'm sad I know ya. I'm sad I know ya. I gave her everything she's my heart, let me know. Them broken heart confessions, lyrics I'd rather read. I'm lost and I'm found, but it's torture being loved. I love when you're around, but I fucking hate when you're there. Put my soul in that shit, let it go. You decide if you ever gonna let me know. Suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know you. I'm sad.